Building an indie business and the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme Rumham, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast recorded in the Indie Business Studio. All right, so I found this Shopify App Store optimization software. It costs $50 a month. And it's supposed to help you get more downloads. So yeah, I'm gonna go over it. To be honest, I don't really see a need for it once my stuff is completely optimized, and it doesn't really show you like exactly how to optimize your stuff. Like, okay, so when you compare it to Market Muse, where Market Muse shows you how many words you need and the specific words that you need to put to best optimize your content for Google SEO. It doesn't do that. It really just shows you, oh, you want to optimize for ATC button. Well, you need to put the phrase ATC button in all of your product description, because like the product description is broken out into like 7 parts, so it's like, oh, make sure you have it for feature 1, feature 2, meta description, title, things like that. So after you fully optimize your product description and you see results and more traffic coming in, there's no real reason to keep the software going. So, I'm going to use it for 2, maybe 3 months, and then I'm going to dump it unless I build another product. But that's another episode. Okay, anyways, the software is called rankbase.io. Took me 2 minutes to actually say the name of it. Okay. So yeah, the first thing you do is you connect. What do you connect? Oh yeah, you connect Google and I don't have notes for this episode. That's why I'm all jumbled up. You connect your Google Analytics that's connected to your Shopify App Store product listing. And then it reads you all the data, and it like gives you a visualization, which I like. And the first thing it shows you is where you're getting installs for your app from, right? So it's showing me that the keyword spacer is showing up, or it shows you the keyword, then it shows you install clicks, your average position, your latest position, and your potential score. And the potential score is calculated based on the number of installs and the keyword's average position. The higher the score, the more potential the keyword has to increase the number of installs. If your position goes higher for the keyword, the table is sorted by potential keyword. So potential score is potential downloads that you could have. And this is in 7 days. So, the more you go, and you can go 7 days, you can go 30 days, 60, 90, 120, 150. So the more data you look at, the higher potential score goes, because basically the potential score is saying this is how many people are looking at that keyword and how many downloads you can have potentially, right? So like for the past 7 days, it's spacer. These are the keywords: spacer, FPOM, which I still don't know what that means. Let me Google that. FPOM, and then the FPOM stands for some science crap. Then let's do Shopify. And it says it is FPM form. Something about form, so it's like a form thing. Alright. Um, yeah. And then you can click on a keyword, view details, and then it shows you your position history. I was at 1 at 11:2, and now I'm at 2. And then it takes my product listing and it tells me, all right, the keyword is not contained in your name, features 1 through 5, subtitle, meta tag, app details, introduction, meta description. And then it shows you how many characters you have, and then it shows you like the proper amount of characters to have. So like for feature 1, I have 76 characters, and that's okay. But for feature 3, I have 53, and that's not okay. Yes, that is how it looks at keywords, but that is not the only feature. So you go to dashboard, and then you go to, that was analyze. Oh, it shows you the other sources of your traffic. So let me do what in the last 150 days. It's loading. It says that I have traffic from Google, the search autocomplete. So when you search for something in Shopify, the Shopify App Store, it will autocomplete it. That's the second most traffic. Then there's referrals, the website. There's YouTube. There's direct traffic. There's Bing because I just put the website on Bing, and there's a bunch of others. So it just shows me where the traffic is coming from. And then it install click percentage by source. So that is just basically the people clicking on it. Install click percent. Okay, so the percentage of people clicking on it and actually installing it by source. So the biggest source would be the App Store search, which would be probably the autocomplete, and then organic search Google, and then install click percentage by locales, and then it shows me where people are coming from. It says GB, that means United Kingdom, for those that don't know. And then there's also a country breakdown, and it's a pie chart, and then there's an actual graph of by country. Like it's a country map, and then it's all the data that's there. Yes. And then go to dashboard again. You can track keywords. So we will notify you if one of the following keywords is mentioned in the Shopify community forum. Important keywords that bring you over 2 installs in the last 90 days are tracked automatically. If you want, you can specify keywords to track manually. So, for example, for X away from free shipping, I might want to track the keyword free shipping. And that doesn't show up, but I can add that in to be tracked. And then there's latest installs. I did not set this up yet, but what it does is it allows me to see how like the actual stores that have every app installed, which is interesting. So yeah, I have yet to set that up because I'm not there yet. Then there's the change log. I don't know what that is. Change log keeps track of all the changes you're making. So, you're optimizing your product descriptions. And it just says, oh yeah, you made this change. You added this. You left this out. That's the change log. And then there's the settings. and that's just setting up Google Analytics. Um, and then you can also set up notifications. So there's a Slack integration, and you can have um, Slack notifications sent to you every day about a positioning of keywords. So it will tell me when, like, for X away from free shipping, when it starts ranking for free shipping, because I had optimized the product description for free shipping and progress bar, which it hasn't done before. So if I make all these changes and it starts to rank for progress bar, I will get a notification in Slack telling me that um, that change has happened. So yeah, that's about it. It's a very simple app. It doesn't have a lot of features. Um, if there's anything I would like, it's well, to track more apps, because it's either 5 apps or 20 apps is the next tier, which, I have 6 apps. So there's that. Um, and then I would kind of like a community. That'd be really cool, of like users, and we just were able to talk and, rank, talk about keywords, right? And how to rank for them and how to optimize, like just people to talk to, because I'm having trouble finding that for, specifically Shopify App Store creators. Um, so yeah, that's about it. Um, that's all I have for this episode. Um, yeah, it's a cool app. If you, like I said, $50 a month, use it for 3 to 4 months. It's interesting. Yep. All right, that's all I have for this episode. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.